7 Easy Tips to Declutter Your Home. Trying to get rid of a mountain of the junk while your home is cluttered might be difficult. Take a 5-minute break today. And then there was another the next day. You'll have cleared an entire closet or room, then half your house, and then, who knows? Perhaps your home will soon be even less messy than everyone else's. Firstly, what is the definition of clutter? Anything you maintain that doesn't add value to your life is clutter. Making room in your home for the essential things is the goal of decluttering. From where does clutter originate? To comprehend clutter, you must first identify its source, which is most probably indecision. We have clutter in our houses because we haven't determined where to put everything, and in our lives, we haven't taken charge to decide what is and isn't essential to us. We end up with stuff in our lives when we don't make decisions. It's that easy. So, we know that clutter takes many forms, but it's an aspect of our lives that has to be sorted out at the end of the day. Why declutter, and what are its benefits? For many people, organizing and decluttering relieves stress by giving them a sense of control and success. Decluttering lowered overall pressure for 61.7% of study respondents. Some people may only need to declutter their homes before moving. Others find that getting rid of waste creates extra room in their homes that wasn't previously available. Whatever your motivation for decluttering your house and, by extension, your life, this incredibly detailed guide will walk you through the process. Don't put off tackling your junk any longer. Begin with a clean slate by implementing these decluttering tips in your own house as soon as possible. 1. Make a decluttering weekend a priority. Maybe you don't feel like decluttering right now. However, if you book it for later this month, you will be able to free your schedule. You might not be able to clear the entire house in one weekend, but you'll almost certainly make significant progress. 2. Pick up 5 items and put them in their proper spots. These should be items that you genuinely use yet seem to strew over the house because they don't have a home. You must identify a decent area if you are unsure about where things belong. 3. Remove all duplicates. If you find that you have multiples of the same item, for example, for different can openers, consider whether you really need all of them. One should be kept in a handy location, and the others should be donated or sold. 4. Create a system of natural declutterers. Consider measures to avoid future clutter development if you discover a problem region where more clutter than usual gathers. Set up recycling can next to where you read your mail, and you'll naturally dump the trash before it piles up. 5. Allow sunk costs to be forgotten. You can be clinging to something because it was first costly to acquire. The trouble is, if it's not something you use, need, or love right now, it's just adding to the clutter and affecting the beauty of your home overall. 6. Consider why you want to keep each item in your collection. When you're decluttering and having trouble letting go of something, even if you know you don't use, need, or love it, consider why you're holding on to it and weigh the economic value of the item. 7. Stop bringing more things home. It's crucial to get rid of the clutter you already have. However, if you want to make headway decluttering your home, you must also cease, or at least slow down, bringing more things into your home.
To stay tuned on more such interesting trends and updates, we encourage you to go ahead and visit us at procommun.com. Thanks and have a wonderful day ahead.